Hi everyone, welcome to the LeaderWashing.com YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Briggs and Stratton 6338 Rotating Surface Cleaner 16-inch review. If you do not use the right equipment, it could be difficult to remove a carpeted hallway. By using ultrasonic cleaning tools that you bought from a big box store, you can come and clean a wall either layer, but this does not provide you similar results that match the neighborhoods to your house. Size of garden: when in doubt, cordless grass trimmers will all in all be progressively fit to close to nothing in medium-sized nurseries and some other, in light of the fact that the batteries will have compelled life. If you have what may be seen as a bigger garden, you should contribute a more prominent measure of your vitality investigating, else you may need to take a break, mostly through to stimulate. Clearly, this is something you might be content with if you starting it now. Take breaks while the task. At the point when you consider your nursery size, you can investigate between models. While some will offer 40 minutes of cutting time, others will continue running a recent hour and even up to 2 hours. Finally, it depends upon the battery the model boasts. They prop up longer and, because of our reviews of first-class things, may not discharge for an extensive period of time in typical atmospheric conditions. This kind of battery is smaller and will hold the charge for additional. Electric yard trimmers, like some other home and burrowing device, offer central focuses and weights. Electric cutters aren't fit all gardens, anyway under the right conditions, and an electric trimmer may be an unrivaled choice in a gas shaper model. Electric trimmers come in two fundamental sorts. Corded electric cutters draw their ability from an electric outlet through an extra rope. Cordless cutters draw their electric force from an onboard battery. A sterile substrate can be problematic, and you will not get to the correct garden sprayer while bathing with something like a weed whacking machine. There have been a number of professional quality surface purifiers on both the current market. It could also somehow be hard finding the best surface purifier. Medium balanced and convenient to always use, the converter is also easy to only use, mostly because it is designed to start at either the point of capture. Perfectly acceptable push for the grass transducer takes a strength launch, mostly anyway, because your grass transducer is really newer and then also runs smoothly. Whatever the case, it would be important to continue from time to time with documented trimmers. In any case, progressively settled cutters are every so often difficult to start. A very much kept up electric model generally has a singular thing of upkeep, sharpening the edge. Comfort, motors, all things considered, require a power start, where electric cutters have it catches. Significantly easier. Reduced capacity: while various electric things are humbler, not having a gas can result in environmental factors of your home, and parking space can clear up several square feet of room. Regardless of the way that the trimmer will tackle thicker grasses, electric nursery cutters are generally fitting for progressively thin sorts. If you have an extraordinary nursery, it is perfect for cutting occasionally. You will, moreover, should be sure that the nursery is respectably dry. This improves the idea of the cut. Quiet movement: gas engines are all around twice as disorderly as electric. This infers you can cut at whatever point of day and not trouble the neighbors. Eco-accommodating: not devouring fuel implies you are not releasing carbon monoxide into the air in your environment. Lower buzzing sound: you are characterized by a strongly engineered electromagnetic object at the same concussion stage. Estimates generated throughout measurements show petrol cutters that output anything between 95 and 105 decibels of vibration. There is moreover no used oil to dispose of, anyway over the long haul a battery will wear out and ought to be replaced. Nearly little repair work: antitrust laws changes need to be made for motors, the gasoline is exhausted towards the end of the third quarter because twinkle pins are substituting. Anything is needed for an energy processor. Light-weighted: the electric motors are out and out lighter than internal start engines. Various electric choices weigh beneath 60 pounds. This is especially noteworthy for progressively senior individuals. Did you ever think that there could be a faster way? Okay, here follows the use of a spinning filter of the air. We'll need which with surface mechanics to be doing your best if you would like to make both doors and structures externally look beautifully clean and shiny. The downside? A battery definitely wears out and ought to be displaced. Besides, should anything turn out seriously, it will be all the more eagerly and cost more money to find someone to help that for you. With something like a wire brush, the revolving layer brushes can sometimes be comfortably, efficiently as possible connected to the surfaces. Doppelganger channels of spinning turbines are used to pump water onto the substrate under high frothy pressure, and they quickly clear all dirt and dust. For what reason do such gigantic quantities of home loan holders pick electric grass trimmers? Normally the response is to some degree clear. The non-appearance of commotion and not buying gas. Backing is nothing, and it is more straightforward to push. Thus, even the best decisions are not faultless. We ought to research the focal points and dissipate a few legends while we're crushing endlessly. Did you ever think that there may be a quicker way? Oh, here came something like a revolving cleanup of the ground. You must get that ground clean to help your doors and structures look beautifully clean and bright.